Hello, now I'll try to explain how to use APowerSoft. That is a very smart and useful recording software. So for APowerSoft, the first thing you have to do is to open a Chrome browser. So after opening a Chrome browser, you go to this ID apowersoft.com/free-online-screen recorder. Go to this thing. This page opens up. So for the first thing, you use only this left icon, not the right one. The right one will only allow you recording for 1 minute or 2 minutes. So you start recording. So they will ask, this button comes, open a launcher exe, you say yes. So you have to download this launcher. You download launch. After this download has started. Now you can see. Then you click this and you have to install this. It has been installed already fast. So you find this icon coming up. So this icon will actually help you to record. Make sure you keep it at system sound and microphone if you are recording Google Meet. So open the Google Meet as you open, and then what you need to do, you need to simply go to this page, APowerSoft. So this has been launched. I am closing it once more. So I will open it once more. So you can see that I have already it's saved with me. You have to, so I am clicking this. So you can see on the top you have apowersoft.com/free-online-screen-recorder. So this opens, and so start recording. So I do start recording. When this comes, always allow just open APowerSoft online launcher, since it has been already installed. So this will immediately open up. This has opened up, and you can see the 4 corners there is a LED line. It has selected that area. You can do it full screen, keep it full screen, and then you go to your, for example, say I am going to my Google Meet window. So I open Google Meet over here. I join or start a meeting and give it a nickname. So I am entering the meeting right now. So you can see me, I am over here, and you can go join now. Since nobody is there in the meeting, now you come over here, hold the right part, the left top part, and bring it to the top over here, and then press record. 1, 2, 3. It has started. So this thing comes since recording. So you just click the left, hold the left part, keep your left mouse button clicked, and bring it to the top. And now you talk and you share. It's a screen recording. Whatever your screen is, that will be that is going to be displayed over here. So that is how it goes. Now for example, the recording is playing. Now you want to stream it, or say this is how you do the recording. For streaming on YouTube, what you need to do is, the recording is going on here. So this is OBS. It's recording. You have to remember, you have to go to this file, settings. Here you find stream. This is show something. Now you go to our, this is the place you have to give a password. So for that you have to go to, say, our college YouTube. and it's as you can see, you go to our YouTube. This is our college BBC event site. You go over here, go to the top left part, you go to go live. After you go to go live, you need to do schedule stream. So already there is this trial for seminar disability. What you can do is you can reuse the settings. So in the reuse for settings, there is a new stream. You give the name of the seminar over here, it's public. Give the name, say for example, it is 10 o'clock, it starts at the time it starts, say it starts at 2 p.m. as we know. So here we do it. You give it a thumbnail, or you don't need to give it a thumbnail, and it is not made for me. You create a stream. So the stream is will be created over here. Now here the stream is created. Now you click on this, go over here. Now as you know, on YouTube, this is the stream key over here. You can copy the stream key over here, and what you need to do is you need to go to OBS again. In OBS, go to File, Settings, Stream. Here you paste the settings over here and click Apply. Then it's OK. So, and here there is a button known as Start Streaming. So before that you can start streaming over here. So it starts to stream. Now you can go to your YouTube over here. So it will start streaming. Now if you go over here, you can find the link. You can copy this link. This is the link. You have to copy this. Copy this link, close this. Now you can see what I am, the streaming has started. So just before you are going to start, you press go live over here, and then when you do go live, you can your streaming has started. I go live, and it's going live now. And now I open another window and I just press that over here, and you can see that it's already playing live in 17 hours, but the stream will start over here. BB College Asansol. The streaming has started. Open another window and I just press that. This was what I was talking before. Okay, and you can see that it's lag. Your stream has started. Already playing live in 17 hours, but the stream will start. So I am closing this. So here the stream is going on, and you can end your stream over here. You can end your stream over here. So the stream is over. Now you have to make a new stream. When you do it, you can make schedule a stream. Go to schedule stream again. You can reuse the settings, give your name over here, what about the names you have to do, time, etc. Give a thumbnail if you want, and you can create. So this is how you can do a live streaming using OBS. And once you have ended, since I have ended the stream over here, I am closing it. Once you come over here, you go to stop streaming. I am not saying stop recording because I am showing you, the main target was to show you aPowersoft. Now we are going to aPowersoft. So this is the Google Meet which is going on, and this is aPowersoft over here. And now the recording, say for example I finish here, I want to stop the recording, meeting is over. I press this red button it has started. So this thing comes, so
this has
recording.
come again.
So you just click the left, hold the left part, keep your left mouse button clicked and bring it to the top. And now you talk and you share. It's a screen recording. Whatever your screen is,
and here is the save.
That is going to be displayed over here.
Save video as video.
So that
file.
is how it goes.
So
now, for example,
you can open folder and see
the recording is playing. Now you want to stream it.
Say done.
Or say this is how you do the recording.
So this is the recording.
For streaming on
done.
YouTube,
it is automatically
what you need to do is, the recording is going on here. So this is OBS.
Upload, you can do all whatever
it's
you want.
It's recording.
All these things.
You have to remember, you have to go to this file, settings. Here you find stream. This is show something. Now,
and now you can see it is shown, the recording has come over here.
So
no, not this one, sorry. I think this is the last one.
It has started. So
yes,
this
is your recording which will come.
So you just click the left, hold the left part, keep your left mouse button clicked and bring it to the top. And now you talk and you share. It's a screen recording.
So open file, from open file you can get it.
That will be
so this is how you have done it, record. Just in case you are unable to stream, you can go like this. So this is finished. You can close. The recording is over. And so I am ending my meeting here also. APowerSoft has finished, and now I am stopping the recording on